Spika wa mbunge ya bururi Justin Muturi ni ahithuritie mutaratara wa guthurima mahuthiro ma mbeca cia muingi ni mbunge cieri cia gibururi na iria cia kaunti wina mageca maria mangicungiriria ungumania na wici. Akiari hindi igongona ria kuruguria kioneki kia wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma mbeca cia muingi kia mwaka wa 2021 mwaka wa 2026, Muturi oigite ni ugwati gutigira mbunge mahinya ma gwithurimira mahuthiro mayo.
Auditor General is audited by an independent auditor who is appointed by the National Assembly. But then, the Auditor General audits Parliament and brings a report as per the Constitution to Parliament. So if the Auditor General has found something wrong or something that Parliament did wrong, it's the same Parliament to whom she is reporting to. So like the case of the goat and the hyena, taking the case of the goat before the hyena.
Ongereire thirikari ni rekagiriria muigana wa ciringi milioni 118 kuri ogicigo kia ubunge oro mwaka ire ni makiria ma ciringi bilioni 40 na irugamagirirwo ni mubunge. Kura riboti ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma mbeca cia muingi ikoretwo ikionania ungumania munene.
If we found it necessary to provide that the office of the Auditor General be audited by somebody else, then the reports touching on Parliament and the county assemblies, we should find a mechanism of those reports being taken to another part, not fair, so that somebody else can come and say, well, what the Auditor General captured here is you have not explained. You as Parliament, you therefore need to be held accountable.
Riu Muturi niendekithitie watho wa uthurimi wa mbeca cia muingi ucenjio gutigirira mbunge ni irahurwo ndurumeni na ikundi kiumbe guteithiriria waragania.
It's a problem within our constitutional architecture. Therefore, perhaps it's something that we need to think about, even as some people think of amending the constitution. If we really want to improve situations, we should be addressing. These are some of the more salient issues that need to be addressed if we are serious about public expenditure.
Hindi igongona riri muthurimi wa mathabu ma mbeca cia muingi Nancy Gathungu ni acakaite riboti cia wabici yake cikoretwo citekuiyukio ni honge citiganite cia thirikari. Kura riu endekithitie watho uyu ukorwo kirorwo keri.
Lack of an effective mechanisms for follow-up on implementation, and as such most audit queries recur in subsequent audit reports due to lack of action. We have submitted our recommendations to Parliament to review the Public Finance Management Act 2012 to make implementation of recommendations mandatory for all public entities and introduce and enforce sanctions to those who fail to comply.
Akiariria gikaro kiu muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania Eliud Wabukala ni ahithuritie ni mahotete kuiyukia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 28 kuma kuri turia nime na magacicokia gikabu-ini kia mbeca cia muingi.
We also recovered assets, cash, movable and immovable, worth approximately 22.8 billion and surrendered them back for public benefit. Yes, this is pursuing forfeiture of corruptly acquired assets worth approximately 33 billion, a process which is in various courts across the country.
Riboti ya Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wajiko.